Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to go over the getting started of React Native. A lot of people are just wondering how to get it running, how to load it up in the simulator in their natural environment. I'm using my Mac today, so I'm going to show you this version, but it's really simple. It's a similar concept if you want to do it in Windows. So React Native here, they're on version 0.46. They're about halfway till a stable build, so things probably going to change a lot from here until then, but no need to worry about. So when there's this getting started page here on in their docs, and it basically walks you right through it. You copy this line, npm install tag g create React Native app, and just paste that in your terminal. Now it's good to note here that you do have to have Node.js installed. If you don't have that installed, it's really easy. Just Google Node.js and press the buttons, go through it all. It's really easy to install it. But I already installed this, so I'm not going to go through this, but it takes a little bit. But that's basically how you get the command line tools working for that. And then you would just do create React Native app, awesome project. And you paste that into the terminal. And I'm already actually in awesome project. I had already done that. So, because it does take a little bit of time. Now, it's good to note that when you run that, it's going to tell you that Yarn, if Yarn is installed, then it's going to do the installation process a little bit faster. And it doesn't really tell you how to get installed. Just you can do npm tag g yarn. It's YARN, like the ball of yarn, and that'll give you that npm package. It's like basically a package manager, just like npm, but it's a little bit quicker and allows for better installation. So just install that before you do anything, even though it doesn't say it in here in the documentation. Then it tells you to cd into your project here in npm start. Now it's good to note that npm start, what it will do is it will load up your project and then it'll build a QR code in the terminal. Now this QR code is to be read by your phone. So you'd want to go to the App Store in your phone and download the Expo app, which it tells you right here, install the Expo app on your iOS or Android phone. And then what you would do is you'd read the QR code right out of the terminal onto your phone. But we're not going to do that here. We're actually going to install it into the simulator. Now to get the simulator going, just come in here and you see Xcode here. This is your launch pad. So if you want to open up Xcode, if you don't have it, it's really easy to install that as well, but you have to install it, and it does take some time. So I got the Xcode up here. All you do is click on Xcode right here, open Developer Tool, and click on Simulator. Now once your simulator starts to load up, you can actually go back to Xcode, and you can just close it out. We don't need it open anymore. It will only use up resources that we don't really want to use. So once you get your phone up and running, which will still take a second, I'm going to actually show you a little bit of thing here. If you open up your cat your package.json, which will print it out to your terminal, you can see that the scripts here, there's start, there's eject, there's Android, there's iOS, and there's test. And they told us to run start, npm run start, which will just do the React Native scripts start. It'll actually run this command basically. But instead what we're going to do is iOS. So this way it'll actually run React Native scripts iOS, and it will install Expo into our simulator. So we'll go ahead and run that here. So npm run iOS. Now if you had Android running, it'd be npm run Android. And to get Android actually opened up, the simulator, is you can go actually install IntelliJ. They have a community version that's for free, and that'll come with a simulator built in. Or you can try to find other ones. There's other ones like Genymotion, Twerk. There's quite a few of them out there. So once you have that installed and you have the simulator running, just do this same command. I'm going to pause this while it's running because it does take a little while, but I'll be right back. All right, we're back now. As you can see, it loaded up in our simulator, and it says welcome to Expo here. Now in our terminal, you see that big giant QR code here, and that's the QR code you would scan with the Expo app on your phone. So you can actually run it in your phone and on the simulator, it's up to you. But just click on got it here, and there's our app. And it will be the same process with Android. But I want to thank you guys for watching and hope this was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you.